Hello, I am here on Class Dojo to show you how you can use any iWork, that's pages, keynotes, and numbers, to attach as part of an assignment that you might want learners to do in your Class Dojo activities. So the first thing I need to do is navigate to a class, go to my demo class, and then I'm going to go to the Portfolios section. Once I get to the Portfolios section, I'll create an activity. And I'm going to create a text-based activity. So the article that I'm about to attach is called A Mammoth Find. And I'm going to ask the learners to download and open the article. And then what I'm going to do is take my Pages document here. I'm going to navigate to Google Drive. And I placed the article here in Drive. I simply did that by taking the Pages icon, dragging it into the space, and there it is. I can go ahead and grab the share link, come back over to Class Dojo, paste that in, and when learners open this assignment, A Mammoth Find, they will have access to that link, which will take them to a page that looks very much like this, except it'll be on their iPad. And they'll just hit this download button and it will open right in their Pages app. In this example, however, if it was a Keynote or a numbers file, it would open in those apps as well. There is an accompanying learner tutorial on how to do this from Class Dojo. So if that's a need for you, feel free to send that their way. As always, I hope that this tutorial was helpful, and thanks for watching.